guys, it's Arena. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well and staying safe. So for today's video, I wanted to do a Kmart haul. I feel like Kmart has really been stepping up their game with like clothes and accessories, stuff like that. So I decided to do a outfit video. So I came up with two different outfits that I got all from Kmart. I kind of kept it minimal and tried to buy as like least things as I could, just because I didn't want to spend money on things that I wasn't going to actually wear in my daily life. But let's jump into it. So I decided to do two different outfits. So for the first outfit, I have this cute little beige picnic checkered print top that I got. This was on clearance, so it was actually $15, but it came down to $9, and this is in a size 8. It's actually a little bit big for me. I was trying to find one in a size 6, but they didn't have it, so I was like, it's fine. Size 8 still fits. And I picked up these shorts. They are linen blend shorts, and they're just like this little waist tying linen pair of pants. And these ones were also on clearance. These ones came down to, they were 15 and they came down to 5. This one's actually a size 12, which I normally wear a size 8 in pants, but because it does have like a drawstring waistband, I can kind of still like tie it to fit my waist, and I kind of like a puffier look on the shorts. So I picked them up anyways. They were only $5, and I'm pretty sure I'll wear them because I love a good pair of white shorts, and it was only $5. So I decided to pick them up even though they were a size 12. For this look, I also decided to pair it with a few accessories. So I got these cute little seashell earrings. They were on clearance for $2, so I had to pick them up. They were originally $4, but yes, they came down to $2. And I also picked up this really cute clips, these little clips. I actually love the clips that came out. I went a bit crazy and bought like a few. But for this look, I'm just going to use these ones. And these ones were $5, and it came with 3 different types of clips. A plain gold one, pearls, and a tortoiseshell that says love on it, which is really cute. And yeah. And for shoes, I decided to pick up a pair of white heels. I've been looking for a pair of white heels, so I decided if I was going to buy any pair of shoes, I'm just going to buy a pair of white heels. I would probably wear this outfit with sneakers, but because I didn't want to buy sneakers from Kmart that I would probably never wear, I decided to just pick up a pair of heels, and these ones were also on clearance. So great, love a good bargain. But these ones were originally $17, but they came down to $9. And this one's in a size 7. I feel like it was the closest one to my size. I don't know if it's like a little bit too big for me, but they're the closest to my size that I could find. So I decided to pick these up for this look, and they're the only pair of shoes that I picked up. So I'm gonna wear them for both of my looks, just because I didn't want to spend money on things that I didn't really need, and I thought a white pair of heels would be cute. So that is the first outfit. So for my second outfit, I wanted to do a dress look, and I found this really cute nightgown dress at Kmart. It's blue and white with like cute bird prints on it. It looks like kind of like really ethnic Asian kind of, which I loved. It looks like, you know, those pots. There's like Asian blue and white pots, like pottery stuff, ceramics. I feel like I love that style, and so when I saw this dress, I was like, have to get it. And it was also on clearance, so it came down from $15 to $5. It's in a size 6 to 8, so I think it fits both. I didn't think it goes any smaller because it was a little bit big for me. So when I wore this dress, I kind of had to tie it around the waist. I meant tie it at the back just so it cinched me in a little bit more, because it was a bit like baggy around the like breast and waist section. And it is actually a nightgown, but I couldn't really find any nice dresses from Kmart that I liked. So I decided to pick this one up even though it was a nightgown, and just style it as if it was an outfit. So for this look, I also decided to pick up this really cute bag. So it is this little croc blue bag. It has like a handle, and it comes with a strap that you can put around the sides to wear it across body if you like. But I'm probably most likely going to wear it, like hold it like this, because I think it's really cute. Maybe for like a casual look, I would use the crossbody strap. I also decided to pick up some more clips. So for this look, I'm probably going to wear the same clips that I wore in the other look. But I also picked up some of these little bobby pin clips because they were on clearance. So I was like, might as well, and I think it would just add like a cute detail to the look. These ones came down to $2 and it comes with a pearl heart clip and then 2 like different pearl design bobby pins, which I thought was really cute. So I forgot to mention these earrings that I picked up for this look. These ones were also on clearance for $2, but they're just like little gold and like pearl. There's like a shell and a pearl, little circle earrings. But yeah, I forgot to mention them. They're on clearance for $2 at Kmart and I picked them up for this look. And I think that was all the things that I got from Kmart. So those are the 2 different looks that I came up with from Kmart. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!